29th one, write a Python program to split a given dictionary of list into list of dictionaries using the map function. Okay, suppose if you take this input here, science and language dictionary, we have to convert this into list of dictionaries here, like science 88, language 77, science 89. Okay, so like this one we have to convert it. So for that we have to use the zip function. So I already these things they had, because I already explained what is a zip function here. Okay, zip returns a zip object. Okay, zip function returns a zip object which is an iterator of tuples where the first item in each passed iterator is paired together. Okay, so we already explained before zip function. So map function also I have explained here. Map function first parameter is a means dictionary. It converts into dictionary. Whatever the iterables passed here, it converts into dictionary. So the iterables are there, nothing but we are performing for loop here, because we are taking each and value, key comma value in this one, and we are multiplying. Okay, we are multiplying each and value here. Okay, so for that we have to use star. For multiplying for multiple combination we have to use the zip star here. Okay, so marks here the passing this parameter to this function, and after splitting the dictionary, print here, print this dictionary function. Okay, just output, check output here, this simple. For that we have to understand the zip function. If you did not understand the zip functions and this key comma value, it's impossible. I have already explained before this what are the zip function, what are the combinations here, star combinations. So if you practice thorough exercises, you can easily understand this one. I can't explain again and again this one.